Hi, I'm Jen Cook, and welcome to Bahia Property Management. Now, I have 3 tips that I want to give you when it comes to hiring a property management company in Brandon, Florida. So, number 1, you want to know whether this company in Brandon is or has a good reputation or not. Nowadays, you can go onto Google and social media and YouTube, and there are plenty of ways that you can find testimonials. I recommend that you do your research before hiring a property management company. Check them out, read the good, read the bad. You're gonna see probably all of the above. But it will give you a pretty good indication of what kind of reputation that property management company has. So number 2, you want to find a property management company in Brandon that has a ton of experience. You want to know that this company has weathered the storms. You want to know that they've handled plenty of different issues, because property management is not easy and it is a very complex thing. And some people can handle it and some people, let's frankly say it, cannot. So you want to find one that definitely is ready to handle those hard issues when they come that way. Number 3, you want to find a company that is a member of the National Association of Residential Property Managers, NARPM. This organization basically sets the standard, the professional and the ethical standard for residential property managers. So it's very important that you find a company that is a member. Now let me tell you a little bit about Bahia Property Management. So with Bahia, you're not just getting one person to manage your property, you're getting an entire team of experts, from accounting to rent collections to evictions when they come our way. We have the experience, we have the expertise, and we're able to handle every single issue that comes our way. Now, we also offer an owner's portal, so you can actually log in at any point in time and access any document, anything you need for taxes, for your CPA, everything is readily available for you. Now, we are super excited to say that we're a maintenance team of 24/7. So when we get the call at 3 o'clock in the morning, the tenant has a leaky toilet, guess who they're gonna call? They're gonna call us, Bahia Property Management. And you know what? We're gonna take their call and we're gonna handle the issue as quickly as we possibly can. Now, I wanna share with you also that we do offer a 120-day money-back guarantee. Now, let's face it, we know sometimes, we may not be the perfect match for you, and that's fine, that's understandable. But we do want to prove to you that we actually do know what we're doing. We have the experience, we have an excellent reputation, and we're members of NARPM. So if you want to know more information about Bahia Property Management, please give us a call at 813-966-9324. We'll be happy to serve you.